ça reste dans la bande du filet. Son nom au palmarès de la première édition de votre tournoi, ce Mary Pierce Indian Ocean Series qui débute à Maurice et qui verra donc avec un premier nom, Marie Bouzkova, posée à côté du trophée.
The wind, it was very hard in the wind to manage, you know, because every time when we switched the sides, it was totally different game and you had to play totally something else. Because from this side you almost had to play from the service line and there you were on the fence. So actually the wind was like the main point in the whole match. I didn't want to let to the third set because I was tired already, even the doubles yesterday. So today I was happy that I managed to win it in 2 sets. Well, now I've got just the second tournament here and then we'll see, because now I already played 12 tournaments, which I'm allowed during the whole year, so until July I cannot play anymore.